At the end of every paint session, I have evidence. Like I go, oh yeah, this model looks different than when I sat down like 3 hours ago. And it's just really, really helpful for me to have evidence of work done, time well spent, time not wasted. Because that's why it's so difficult for me to meditate, is when I meditate, when I come out the other end, I don't have any tangible evidence of like time well spent for my rationalized mind thing. Yep. But painting, like I was so scared to start painting again, of course, like I always am. And then I look at the Jokero model and I'm like, this was just black plastic a couple of days ago for my game session. And now it's a little monkey guy with metal eyes. And that's awesome. I can't wait to like shoot his little laser rings around the ring. This hobby's great.